This is the VG52 Pro Android standalone smartwatch phone with a whole new user interface and lots of creative, incredible controls. Of course, you got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and cellular connectivity. Works well in the USA with a T-Mobile SIM in it. Got it right now. Got definitely good connectivity. We've got some special new controls that you'll learn about in full later on, like this one that can change the full screen to a square to a somewhere in between. Stretch, squeeze, and all kinds of things, including audio drainage. Yep, it's a waterproof watch with a speaker here and a microphone there. Just like Apple invented, you can drip the water out of it if you've been swimming with it. We've got more. Come over here. You got your step count, calories burned, distance traveled for the day. Here's a heart rate reading app that immediately starts getting your heart rate. You can set it for 24-hour readings if you want to and get your high and your low. You also have blood oxygen. It uses a combination of red and green diodes for that, and it'll take instantaneous readings. You can turn any of those on and off if you'd like to, including the music player, which happens to be to the left of your main dial and plays really decent sound. Hear that? Nice. Now, when you tap this upper button, you get all of your different apps displayed any which way you'd like. We'll walk through them in a line. You got your phone connectivity, phone calls, recent contacts, even the ability to listen to your voicemails is built into this one. Settings with some incredible stuff that you can do. Browsers and calculators and calendars and contacts. Yep. The albums is where you can play the videos that you shoot with the camera on the side. We'll do some of those in the full review. You've got messaging, of course, your text messages and music player, a real-time running in the background type of stopwatch. You got a countdown timer or a count up stopwatch, which we did in the full review that you'll see next. You also have Google Maps in here, a super power saving system on here, the one-click cleanup to drain the water out again. You can set various clock in different countries if you want to, and of course you can set your alarms in here too. Video player, flashlight, and really nice and bright, a sound recorder. This is your sporting activity parameters, your height, weight, and age, and all of that stuff goes in there. Again, the things you've seen before. A nice integrated user's guide. The dial market, which will show you some dials in a second that you can get to. The camera on the side, lights up, gives you video recording capability as well as still pictures that you can take with it. Play Store from Google's in here, works really well. YouTube, Facebook, all these are pre-installed. Now, when you're ready to close down, you can turn it off and on here, or press and hold and bring up your shutdown and your reboot. As far as watch faces, this is one of them, downloaded from the store. Here's another one, goes right into the overall store where you can see whatever watch faces you'd like. When you leave that, it loads it up and it'll take you right into that particular face. Download it. It takes just a second. Apply it. And now you've got that particular watch face added to the rest of them that you have installed. Come back here again to this one, and I can go over to it like that. In terms of stock faces now, that's another one I downloaded. Here's one that you have integrated access with hot buttons that you can get to your library for music playing and such. I know this is a quick overview, so we'll show you all of the fun watch faces in the full review. It's a very nice, easy to operate, and well-established Android 8.1 watch. Nice and thin now. SIM card, microphone, speaker, well-built, waterproof. What more do you want? It's the VG52 Pro. Check it out. Oh yeah, you can also cycle through all of the watch faces simply by twirling the knob. Nice, huh? Yep. Quite the watch. Gotta love it. Yeah.